Hello everyone and welcome to Scrapping with Kids. What we have is we've got quite a big load here, mainly computer things, old computer cases, and as you can see a lot of pressed steel, a few microwaves. We've just come to the big scrapyard and we're going to be unloading all this metal. So we've just weighed it. The weight is going to be shown now, and then we'll see how much weight we actually got. It's a trailer full, as you can see, and then we've got a bit of in the car. Alright, so we've just come back, we've unloaded the trailer off all that scrap steel. It's been around the house for a while, so we just thought we'd share this price and what we actually ended up getting for it. So the overall weight of the load was 780 kilos. It came under description pressing, and the unit price was 9 cents per kilo. So it's not the best price. You can get more, I guess, if you go more inner city, into the more inner city recyclers, but over here on the outskirts, that's sort of what they're paying. So the overall was $70.18. So $70 for a trailer full of old computers and microwaves and everything else that we've scrapped out. Obviously we've kept all the boards, all the good things. We're keeping that separate. But this was pretty much just the scrap metal, all the leftover. And if you take it all in, they will pay you for all that scrap. As you can see, $70 we got for it. And on our way back we found quite a few hard rubbish piles, and I'll just show you what we on my way back from the scrapyard. Since I had a trailer, I thought, oh, we'll just go for a bit of a drive to have a look what else we can find. And as you can see, we found a few more batteries, so that's at least another 30-40 bucks there. Found this really good Mongoose mountain bike, a BMX bike. We found a few more radiators. This one here is actually really heavy one, and it's a full copper radiator. So a nice little pickup. It's all up, there's about 3 or 4 radiators there. One, this big heavy copper one. A few batteries, a couple of bikes, and a couple of rims. So yeah, not a bad little pickup. As you can see, people still continue to put out hard rubbish as we are coming into summer here in Melbourne, and there's a lot of rubbish that people have just stored up in the garage and whatnot, and they're putting it out. So you will find a lot of batteries, you will find a lot of wheels, you will find a lot of scrap metal and some really good stuff. So if you have the time, get out there and find some treasure. So we'll add this total, $70 to our total, which now stands at $1,185.33. We have accumulated quite a bit more brass and copper and other bits and pieces. We will most likely make another trip shortly, so stay tuned and stay safe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.